They hear, oh my God, Sharia law. Oh my God, we have to stop it. Muslims, they're going to blow us up. And Sharia law is, for example, if the head of the household dies, Sharia law says that the wife gets half of the estate and the sons get the other half. That's Sharia law. Sharia law says...
It?
Yeah, that's it. Sharia law says that if you have multiple wives, which of course are not recognized in the United States, you have to treat them equally. Right? So if you do something for one, you have to do something for all four equally. That's Sharia law. So what these morons in places like Oklahoma City or Austin are so worried about, I have no idea. It's just, they just exhibit their own ignorance.
Right.
They hear, oh my God, Sharia law. Oh my God, we have to stop it. Muslims, they're going to blow us up. And come on.
Yeah.
What are you